Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Statesman's newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 4, 2023, 4-star Sudoku. 4th grade, we have 208. So 208 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, three numbers are 194. 5th row, we have 109. So 109 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. 7th row, we have to give 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. 6th grade, we get 409. So 409 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. 9th row, we already get 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then column G, 3 numbers are remaining 375. 6th row, we have 705. So 705 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. 7th row, we already get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then the column F, 2 numbers are remaining 228. 2nd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G and 5th row, we have pair numbers 9 and 8. So 9 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. 7th row will go 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 6th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 286. 7th row, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 4. 4th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 6. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 6. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I, column D, we get pair numbers 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We'll confirm later. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 5. Column I, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 1st grade, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We'll confirm later. Then column D, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 9. 4th row, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. Then only one number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. 3 and 9 will confirm later. 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining 4, 8, 5. Column I, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. Column C, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. 9th grade, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We'll confirm later. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 7. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. The 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 6, 4. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 2 and 6. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 10th row and 2nd grade and 2nd row, 5 and 6 can't come these cells. We have pair numbers. It will come in another two cells. 7th grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 7. 10th row, we get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column which 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Second row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Second row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column E and second grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.